Hello everyone, I'm your host Joe Blazak, and this is Top Notch Science, Episode 8. Now today we're going to go over something a little bit different than what we normally do. Normally we take a scientific discovery and show the benefits and what you can do with it. But today what we're going to do is show something where somebody has taken a scientific discovery and made a product with it. Now the folks over at the University of Strathclyde in Glasgow, Scotland have created a low-cost, smart paint that can be used to detect microscopic faults in wind turbines, bridges, and mines before any structural damage has occurred. Other than the obvious improved safety, why is this a great creation? Well, it uses a recycled waste product as its main component, called fly ash, which helps reduce the cost. Now because of this reduced cost, it saves money for you, the taxpayers. So how did they make this paint? Well, we know that they started off with the fly ash, but what else is in there? What they decided to put in there is some carbon nanotubes. Now these carbon nanotubes are based on the graphene which we covered in the last episode. And just to reiterate, graphene is basically a one atom thick sheet of carbon with a honeycomb structure for the carbon atoms. Now in order to get carbon nanotube from this graphene, you basically take the graphene sheet and roll it up. That's it. Now when the paint is mixed, it has some cement-like properties from the fly ash which make it very, very useful in harsh environments. Some other useful properties from this are the fact that you can spray it onto any surface, as well as stick electrodes in it. Now when the surface has micro cracks on it, the electrodes measure the electrical resistance and see a change in that. When that electrical resistance changes, maintenance crews can be notified that there are cracks in the wall and changes need to be made. Now this technology has many benefits over the currently employed technology in the field because it requires no expertise to produce and apply the paint. As well, the monitoring is very simple and straightforward. Also, since the main component of the paint is fly ash, the cost is 1% of the other commonly used inspection methods. Now I like today's news story because it covers one of the major trends towards a more sustainable future. Now in these trends, they're taking waste products from other sources and creating better and cheaper products using those materials. As they say, one man's trash is another's gold. The next episode of Top Notch Science will be airing on Wednesday. Take care.